Welcome to Consumer Flix, your trusted source for the latest drone news and reviews. Helicopter today, we're diving into the DJI Mavic 4 Pro leaks, where we'll uncover the official specs and exciting new features that are making waves in the drone community. If you're ready to see what DJI's next powerhouse has to offer, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive updates and expert reviews on the latest drones. Redesigned aerodynamics for enhanced flight performance. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature a redesigned body with improved aerodynamics, offering better wind resistance and smoother flight stability compared to the Mavic 3. This update allows for longer and more precise flights, making it an ideal choice for professional filmmakers and photographers who require reliable performance in varying environmental conditions. Upgraded camera system for cinematic excellence. Leaks suggest the Mavic 4 Pro will include a dual camera system featuring a larger primary sensor and an enhanced telephoto lens. This system promises improved resolution, dynamic range, and low-light performance compared to its predecessor, enabling users to capture breathtaking visuals with greater detail and vibrancy. These upgrades set a new standard for aerial imaging in DJI's lineup. Extended battery life for longer missions. Reports indicate that the Mavic 4 Pro will feature a more efficient battery system, potentially increasing flight time by up to 20%. This advancement would outpace the Mavic 3, allowing creators to capture more footage in a single session. The addition of faster charging technology further reduces downtime, ensuring users can maximize productivity during shoots. Advanced AI and smart features. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to incorporate upgraded AI-powered features like improved object tracking, obstacle avoidance, and waypoint missions. These intelligent tools will make piloting the drone more intuitive and accessible, even for beginners, while offering professionals more precise control for complex shots compared to the previous generation. Enhanced transmission and connectivity. With rumors of next-gen transmission technology, the Mavic 4 Pro is set to offer longer range and improved signal stability. A redesigned controller with a brighter built-in display is also anticipated, making it easier to navigate settings and monitor live feeds. These updates will make the Mavic 4 Pro a more dependable option for high-stakes operations. Sustainability and modern design philosophy. DJI is reportedly integrating sustainable materials and energy-efficient components into the Mavic 4 Pro, reflecting an eco-conscious approach to design. Compared to earlier models, this focus on sustainability makes the Mavic 4 Pro a forward-thinking choice for creators who value environmentally responsible products without sacrificing quality or performance. Revolutionary zoom capabilities for versatile filming. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to include a revolutionary hybrid zoom feature, combining optical and digital zoom for unparalleled versatility. This would allow users to capture detailed close-ups and wide-angle shots seamlessly, setting it apart from the Mavic 3 and enhancing its appeal for both professional and hobbyist creators. Improved thermal management for consistent performance. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature an upgraded cooling system, ensuring efficient thermal management during extended flights or demanding tasks. Compared to its predecessor, this improvement will provide more stable performance, particularly during high-temperature conditions or intensive shooting sessions. Innovative payload support for specialized applications. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to support modular payloads, such as advanced sensors or additional cameras, enabling it to cater to specialized fields like agriculture, surveying, or search and rescue. This flexibility would mark a significant evolution from the fixed capabilities of the Mavic 3, broadening its use cases across industries. Dynamic flight modes for creative control. Leaks suggest the Mavic 4 Pro will introduce new dynamic flight modes, such as advanced motion paths and cinematic presets. These features aim to simplify the process of capturing complex aerial shots, offering greater creative control and efficiency than the flight modes available in previous models. Weatherproof design for diverse environments. Rumors suggest the Mavic 4 Pro may include weatherproofing enhancements, allowing it to operate reliably in light rain or challenging conditions. This feature would make it a more versatile choice for outdoor creators compared to the Mavic 3, which offers limited resistance to environmental factors. Next-level precision with improved GPS technology. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to include enhanced GPS and GNSS capabilities, offering pinpoint accuracy for positioning and navigation. This improvement ensures smoother flight paths and precise waypoint missions, surpassing the navigation reliability of the Mavic 3. Enhanced data security for professional use. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to incorporate upgraded encryption and secure data transmission protocols, catering to professional users who prioritize privacy and safety. This focus on secure operations makes it a standout choice compared to previous models with standard data protection measures. Conclusion. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changing addition to DJI's drone lineup, offering a range of enhancements that elevate its performance, usability, and versatility. From a redesigned body and extended battery life to groundbreaking camera upgrades and advanced AI features, it promises to set a new benchmark for aerial technology. The focus on sustainability, modular capabilities, and improved connectivity further solidifies its position as a forward-thinking tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. While the Mavic 3 remains a strong contender, the Mavic 4 Pro's anticipated innovations make it a highly compelling choice for those seeking cutting-edge drone technology. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. Which feature of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more in-depth reviews and the latest drone news. See you in the next video.